Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Information Network. Today I am presenting you with a very informative video. Do you know what is Fiverr? Do you want to earn through Fiverr? If you have tried your luck at Fiverr and failed to get even a single order and want to know the reason for your failure, you are at the right place to get things in the right direction, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Fiverr is a marketplace which provide a platform for buyers and sellers to buy and sell services online with minimum chance of scam. Most of you must be aware of the potential of this platform and must have tried your luck at this platform. Some of you might got success, while most people failed to get orders on their gigs. Why one gets failed to get an order is an important question to address. To address this all-important question, I am telling you my example that I signed up on Fiverr in 2019 but did not get any response till February 2021. Now, look at the turnaround in just a mere 1 month. My gigs are getting much more impressions and orders. Now I will tell you the all-important technique to get maximum chances to rank one's profile on Fiverr. First of all, examine different gigs and top-rated profiles of the category you want to publish a gig. Examine their titles, keywords, description and tag list. Then second important thing is to correct your gig image. It must be a catchy one. If your title, description and tags are compatible to the category you choose, your gig will surely get ranked. That obviously will lead to clicks and orders. Now here is a very important point to note that your title, tags will refer the buyers on your gig, but here comes the role of gig image or video. If it is catchy one, then the buyers will obviously click on your gig to read the description, where you get maximum chances to get an order. You must be thinking that how one can create a gig with above mentioned techniques. Here is the answer. For example, if you are publishing a gig on graphic designing, so first of all you must search graphic designing on Fiverr as a buyer and note the number of services to evaluate the level of competition and potential of the category. Then examine at least top 10 gigs. Write down their titles, description and try to make the title and description of your gig out of them. Please do not copy anyone's title as it is, instead choose words from each gig. Secondly, examine their image and video to create a similar styled image or video. I will recommend you upload gig videos as videos get better response. Here again I am warning you, do not upload someone's gig image or video, instead just take the idea from them and create your own. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.